And with me right now is Yaron Golgher, CEO of the stock forecasting company I Know First.
Good evening,
Good
Lucy.
evening. Thank you very much for joining us. So, who knew first about the drop of the oil prices? Because this continues to affect the entire world.
Right. Perhaps the most significant story in the market recently is the drop in the oil price. The oil price dropped during the last year by 50%. This is only by 6 months. On Friday, for example, the oil dropped to the lowest level in 5.5 years, to the level of $52.7 a barrel.
Yaron, try to explain to me who is going to gain from this. Who is gaining, who is losing from this? Because Saudi Arabia is on one side, the United States on the other side, and in the middle we see Russia. So who is gaining from all this?
Okay, definitely the big winners are the end consumers, that they're going to pay less for the gasoline, they're going to pay less for their flights.
I'm satisfied until now.
From the company side, airlines company are going, of course, are going to take advantage of the low fuel price. The losers are, of course, as you said, oil-producing countries as Russia and Iran. That major part of their budget depends on the oil price and high oil prices. So. So the main, let's say the losers are Russia and Iran.
Also, the United States is losing from this situation because the way that, let's say, it's creating and manufacturing oil, it's different than what Saudi Arabia is, that has it as a natural resource.
Right. You can say that U.S. drilling companies, which have high production cost, and they will have to continue to struggle with this oil level, and
because Saudi Arabia dropped the barrel price. Well, it's going to continue being really interesting, I think, in the next few months for Russia, for Saudi Arabia, for the United States, another mess in the world.
Right.
Thank you very much, Yaron, for this.
Thank you for having me, Lucy.